Welcome to Sock Puppet Theatre. I am your host, Professor Busybody, and today we shall reenact the classic tale of Beowulf. Hoo-hoo-hoo! This is Beowulf. As you can see, he is much better looking than the rest of the sock puppets. Beowulf was a mighty man. In fact, when he was young, he won a swimming contest. Well, actually, he lost, but that was because he stopped to beat up some sea monsters on the way. Ah!
Ho-ho! I am the mighty and victorious Beowulf. Da-da-da!
And so he went and he built a mighty big hall.
And he looked on it, and it was pretty cool. So he called his warrior friends. Warriors, come to my hall. We're here. Only two of you? We represent many more. Oh, got a spokesman type deal coming up? Yeah, we're thinking of farming you. Okay, that's enough. Anyway, but there was a problem with the hall. Structural instability? No. It's much worse than that. It was Grendel,
The evil and hideous monster!
He was a very evil and hideous monster, as I have said previously. Who you call hideous? But he had very good hygiene. Why's that? Because, yes, black socks, they never get dirty. You know the song? Yes, I do. Want to join in the chorus? Yeah, sure. They never get dirty, the more that you wear them, the blacker they get. Sometimes I think I should wash them, but something inside me says...
Not yet. Ha! Not only am I hideous, I'm also very evil. And I want that all. It is a nice deck. Well, I'm tired. Let's hit the sack. We are a sack. And we're a sock. Close enough.
Chicken McNuggets. Or Viking warriors, close enough.
Every night, Grendel, or whatever his name was, would sneak into the big
Hall with a nice patio deck and eat a warrior just like a chicken McDumpling. McNugget. Sorry, I don't eat that often.
and so Beowulf decided he had to
Put a stop to this evil and malodorous practice. What does malodorous mean? Hold on, I have to go get one of my leather-bound dictionaries. In the meantime, Beowulf was putting a stop to it. Ho ho ho! I am medieval Grendel! I am heroic Beowulf. I shall now rip off your arm! I don't have any arms. Oh, then I'll rip off your thumb! I fail to see how you could do that. Well, check this out! Ha-ha! Ah! Mommy! 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 Mommy!
What is it, Grendel?
Nice hair to you, Mom. Yes, I know. What is it, Grendel? The guy ripped off my arm! You don't have any arms. I mean, he ripped off my sock! Well, get yourself some clothes on and I'll take care of this. Okay. Okay, Mommy, I'm dressed. In your long underwear? Yeah, I know they're fuzzier on the outside, but they're pretty much all I have. Well, at least it's black socks. That's what I say. Beowulf?
You're going down.
How are you doing that? I have no idea. It's just part of the Matrix. What is the Matrix? I don't know. Where's that announcer dude with his dictionary?
I'm back.
I didn't find out what malodorous means, but the Matrix is like a spreadsheet or something. It's a bunch of characters in a rectangular format. Don't ask me how I knew that. It's just all up here somehow. Oh, that's much better. Ow! So. Ah! It's the announcer guy! You were Grendel's mother? An unfortunate family resemblance. No relation. But I thought you said it was a no, never mind. And so he was defeated. Announcer guy! And so he was defeated. Thanks for stealing my job, by the way. Don't mention it. Yes. No, seriously, don't mention it. So, he ruled for a long, long time until he got old, fat, and weak. Well, not weak, he still worked out at the World Gym. So now am I fat? I don't know. So, he reigned a long, long time. But then...
The evil dragon Fafnir. Yes, that's my name. And I have a giant pair of pants. What do you gotta say about that?
Nothing. This is sock puppets after all. Good point. So, Fafnir flew in, and all of a sudden, Beowulf picked up his non-existent and invisible sword and smote at him. But Fafnir laughed it off. Ha! Your sword is as inefficient, as non-existent as it is invisible! Dang it! Are you going to shoot fire or something? Actually, I was going in for poisonous smoke. That's a change. Yeah, I know. Oh, Beowulf! What the crap were you thinking? You got you with the roundhouse punch!
I know. Wigwam?
That's like he's your name.
Wiglaff. Oh yes, the gloved one. I need you to go and defeat that DragonPants over there. DragonPants? I eat DragonPants for breakfast. I have breath almost as bad as he does. Go now, my son.
So you're the DragonPants? Yep, I am. Let's do this thing.
That was dirty. Ew. Ouch. I have now triumphed over Pants, and Beowulf, the fat old geezer, is dead. Now I should be king. Let's throw him on a feeder pyre. And, let's eat this thing. Yes. I am Can't even remember my name. Dang it.
And thus ends the tale of Beowulf. Wolf.